Good morning once again, and today we are again with a new topic, that is seam welding. Seam welding is also one of the type of electrical resistance welding. So electrical resistance welding works on principle, as you seen here, that it works on the principle of is equal to H is equal to I square RT. Just we will see that what is a seam welding. Seam welding is nothing but it is a continuous welding process by passing the workpiece between the two rotating rollers shape wheels. These electrodes exerts pressure and conduct the welding. So here you can see that these are the two copper electrodes. These are the two copper electrodes rotating in opposite direction, and in between the workpiece, two different workpiece, they are not joint, they are two different workpieces are inserted. You can see that these workpieces are inserted in this direction and coming out from this direction. Now as soon as the current will flow from these electrodes, what happens, it will offer a resistance, this workpiece will offer a resistance between, and due to this resistance these two workpieces get into plastic zone, and by applying of pressure by these two rotating wheels, the between two plates get welded. So here it also works on principle, that is H is equal to heat developed, I is equal to current passing through the workpiece, R is the resistance offered by the workpiece, and T is the time of current which is flowing from this circuit. So what are the example? These types of welding of petrol tanks of your Hero Honda bike or any types of bike, leak proof. You have seen your Hero Honda bikes, right? At the bottom there is a type of welding is done. The topmost part and bottom part are joined. So these parts are joined by using of your seam welding. A seam welding is a continuous welding, and as compared to spot welding, if you see that spot welding you are having only different types of zone or different type of spot. Here you can't make a leak proof joint, but in seam welding you can make a leak proof joint. So that's why seam welding are used for your leak proof vessel, petrol tanks and etc. Thank you.